There was a sale yesterday on Flipkart, so yeah, I hope you guys are aware that why I am here. I am here because of this. I've got this POCO X2 in the house, in the studio. Ooh, I am very excited to see this smartphone, guys. Are you guys excited? Do let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, let's see this smartphone. This is the POCO X2 6128GB Phoenix Red Edition. This is a special edition variant. So let's unbox it and let's see how it looks and how this smartphone is. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is the unboxing and first impression overview of this POCO X2. So let's begin. So guys, before I start the video, let me tell you that it was delivered at 11 AM and I was in the gym at the time and I was performing a leg workout. I have rushed to my home. Get here, I am tired as hell, but still making this video for you guys, and for that dedication I would love to get 500 likes on this video, guys. Hit that like button, it will be very helpful for me. So guys, before I start the video, I have one more thing to say. How's the echo right now in the studio? I have placed some acoustic panels like right there. Do let me know how's the audio quality is. So yeah, with that said, let's see what the hell we got inside this box. So here it is, guys. This is the box packaging of POCO X2 and the X2 is written with some people's name, which is very interesting. The POCO branding is here. The box is toned a lot actually, as you see over here. It says POCO X2 dual in-display cameras, Win 20Hz display, Snapdragon 730G here, 4500 mAh battery. So let's cut the seal and get inside. I have no idea what this special edition means here. So we have the yellow packaging over here. We have the SIM removal tool first. Then inside this packaging, we've got some reading materials. Then a plastic TPU case. Here we go. We got this heavy charger, 27-watt charger, as you see over here. Then we got this USB Type-C cable, normal USB Type-C cable, nothing special over here. So let's put everything aside and let's see the phone itself. Let's remove it from this packaging, this plastic cover. Wow! And as of the first impression, it seems very impressive. Phoenix red color looks really good, really gorgeous. On the bottom it has kind of purplish color tone. It is kind of gradient finish and it looks good, and it is very similar, not similar, it is the same smartphone which Xiaomi has launched as a K30 in the China. So they have rebranded it as POCO X2 here. Yeah, X2, Realme X2, POCO X2, similarities, 730G. You get it right, what the Xiaomi is trying to do here. But this smartphone is better than the Realme X2 or not? I will answer that question in another video. But for now, as of the first impression, it seems very good. Phone built really good. It's a plastic phone, not the metal one, but the front as well as the back is glass with protection of Gorilla Glass 5, which is amazing. Guys, let's start the phone. While it's booting up, let me give you the physical overview of this phone. So on the bottom, as you see, we have 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB Type-C port, and primary microphone hole speaker grill. Okay, so on the top we have IR blaster. Then we have the secondary noise cancellation microphone. On the right hand side, we got the power button, which is also act as a fingerprint scanner. Then this volume rocker. And on the back, we have this 4 camera setup here. The primary sensor is 64 megapixel with the aperture of f1.9. Then we have 8 megapixel ultra wide lens and 2 megapixel depth sensor and 2 megapixel macro lens too. And it can shoot 4K video at 30 FPS, 1080p, 30, 120 FPS, and yeah. And then we have the flash right over here and the POCO branding, nothing else. Okay, so on the front side, wow, this notch looks very nice actually, and the bezels are quite minimal too at the top, and the bottom has little bit of bezels, which I feel does not look that bad. Wow, actually it looks good. So these are 2 cameras, and the primary sensor is 20 megapixel with the aperture of f2.2, and then we have 2 megapixel depth sensor, and this is the earpiece grill. Yeah, and then we have this 6.67 inches of 1080p IPS display, but the most important thing, it's a 120 hertz display, guys, and I have to say it is very amazing. You have to use the 120 hertz refresh rate to understand that how it feels. Let me show you the SIM card tray. We get this hybrid slot where you can put one SIM card, two SIM cards at that same time. And if you want to use SD card, you have to sacrifice one SIM card slot. And sides are plastic. It seems metal, but it is plastic, I'm sure. They have coated and painted the sides. It looks literally like a metal, but it's a plastic device. Let me check the cover, that how does it looks on this phone. By the way, this TPU cases are not that good because they turn yellow after some time. So this is how it looks, guys. The fitting is really good, so I have no complaints. At least we got the cover inside here. Let's quickly set this device and let's see. Yeah, let's set the fingerprint scanner. So this is the fingerprint scanner, guys. I have already used this kind of fingerprint scanner in my Samsung Galaxy A7 2018 variant, so I am not new to this device, new to this kind of fingerprint scanner. But yeah, still it is kind of weird to use this kind of fingerprint scanner after coming from the traditional back mounted or front mounted fingerprint scanners. I hope you get what I'm trying to say here. Okay, personalized ads, no. Okay guys, as you see over here, as I have heard, this Poco does not allow ads, but as you see it says personalized ads, so just disable it, because after turning off this feature you will no longer receive personalized ad. However, you will receive ads irrelevant to your interests. That means I will get ads. Well, we are in. Wow, this 120 hertz display, not bad. Xiaomi / Poco, you did a really good job here. Let's go to the settings, display, refresh rate. So as you see, currently I am on 120 hertz refresh rate setting. Let's go to the, wow, it seems very amazing, guys. You cannot able to perceive that 60 or 120 hertz refresh rate currently because I'm shooting this video in 30 fps, so you cannot able to perceive. It is on Android version 10.0. So that's great. We get 110 GB of free space, not bad. This smartphone has 6 cameras. Oh, bloody hell. These are some of the samples which I've took. As of the first impression, they seems very nice actually. Let's open the camera. Shutter speed seems quite fast. Let's take a picture of this. This is a picture with the macro lens, guys, and it seems good. So this is the wide angle photo, guys, and wide angle photo does not look that impressive to me, but I will test it and let you know more. Okay, the scrolling effect is just amazing, and this is a front facing camera photo. Very impressive. Not bad at all. So yeah, I will test the cameras in depth and give you the full review, so wait for that. Let's try the fingerprint scanner, how it works. The moment I touch, nothing is happening. It is a passive scanner basically. Okay, so yeah, no, it is not a passive scanner, guys. We can choose to just touch to unlock it or press to unlock it. So I have put it on the touch. Okay, so it is an active scanner. That's great. Thank you so much for this. So I can just tap here without even opening the phone and it will unlock. That's great. I don't have to press the button first then tap. So yeah, that's nice. So it's an active scanner. Thank you so much. So even the face unlock seems to work very well. So no issues in terms of those things. Now let's test the display of this phone. So yeah, it does support 1080p 60 fps HDR. Not bad, Xiaomi, not bad. The display seems pretty fantastic as of now. Well, this looks kind of obtrusive in my opinion, but while watching content, it is not that bad in my opinion. It is okay, I guess. Not bad. The display seems very good. Let's test the speaker quickly.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow
The microphone is right over here, guys.
and on we'll go. Through the wastelands.
It sounds pretty good, pretty decent, at least for the price range. By the way, guys, before I end this video, I have asked you guys some questions on the community and Instagram, and you guys gave some question about this smartphone, so let me answer those questions first, then we'll end this video. So Nostalgic Inquisitor asks, try War Robots and Battle of Titans on it. Both are very highly graphic intensive games, so I will definitely try those games, bro. Wait for the gaming review. And when will the next sale, please tell me. I guess the next sale is on 17th. I'm not sure. I will leave that date over here, the perfect date. Thanks for ordering. Can't wait to see your unboxing video as soon as possible. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you, Technical Samarth. Here you go. Varun Potadar has asked, I have only one question. Did it support bokeh mode like Realme X2? Let me check. I am not sure about that. And it has a lot of modes like vlog mode. Okay. No, I guess it does not support any bokeh mode, bro. I'm sorry, it does not support any bokeh mode. So yeah, we have macro mode. Okay, so we can shoot the video in macro mode too. We have this vlog type of videos. Let's see. Okay, so I have shot a vlog. Let's see how it looks. Well. So they have color graded the footage. They have added some transitions which looks insane. So these are some of the questions which I have been asked. I hope you got the answers, guys. If you have any questions, suggestion, queries or anything, you can feel free to ask them in the comment section below. I would love to answer those questions to you guys. So yeah, that's all about the first impression of this Realme X2. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit that like button, guys. Let's make this video reach 500 likes. It will be very, very amazing. If you love what you've seen and if you're not seeing more videos like this one, you can subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this one in the future. It will be very, very beneficial for you. And guys, please share this video with your friends who are looking to buy this smartphone or any other smartphone in this price category. It will be very, very helpful for them for sure. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye.